We're here in Barcelona, the home race of the Kawasaki Racing Team, and we're based very close to the Circuit Montmello. Also very close is our brake partner J.Juan, based here in Sant Cugat.
J.Juan has been a sportive partner of the Kawasaki Racing Team since 2013. This is the 10-year anniversary, and they've invited us to one of their factories to have a look around.
Well, let's go inside to the factory and see how our brake lines are made.
It's always a great pleasure to go behind the scenes and visit our suppliers' installation plants.
Our confidence with braking is top with J.Juan.
A massive thank you to all the staff at J.Juan for showing us around this fantastic facility. See you on track.